Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, we're on the next and final part of the paintbrush sheep. So without further ado, let me show you where we're at, and then I'll tell you exactly what we're going to do next. Okay, so we have our board. As you can see, there it is. Lovely, isn't it? And we're going to stick it on that. Now, I've sprayed it all up with the gloss varnish, and it's all nice and dry, so I can bring it back in and show you. Now, look at this, guys. Oh, wow. Doesn't that look amazing? Can you see that glistening in the light? Can you? Yeah, you can. That's great. Okay, so it's all very nicely come together. So what we're going to do next is stick it on. Now we need to decide exactly where we're going to go with this. So first of all, I'm just going to check where I want the actual main body to go, and it's going to be in the middle as much as I can do that. So it's roughly the same size, so that all looks good. And then I'm going to decide where we're going to put the feet. So what I might do is, now, do I go straight in or do I have them coming off slightly? I think I'm going to have them more touching the body as planned and go with something like that, I think. Something like that. So yeah, so that's it. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do is next I'm going to stick down the main body and then hopefully remember where these went. Okay, so let's do that now. So we liberally put some glue on there with your trusty glue gun and a bit along there, and all being well, that should stick nicely. Okay, so all you do is get it, remember where you want it. So you need to judge it again and look down straight from the top where you want it to go, and that's where it's going to go. So we're on. So that's it. So that's the final resting place for this particular sheep. So that's good. So I'm going to put those back on. And what did we say? Something like that, didn't we? Yeah, and that one coming down. So I'm going to stick them on. A little bit of glue on the back there. And then that's going to go like so. Pop that on like that. Now this one. You don't need too much on the glue side. And that's going down like that. I try not to have them lined up because I think it gives it more character if they're slightly in different positions, like these two there. So let me just do that one. Stick that down, get rid of that wispy bit. That goes there, push that down, whoops. A little bit of a skid there, but not a problem. And the last one, and then that went sort of there, didn't it? So that goes on there. So just a final little push down. And I'm pleased I did that hair because that really adds to the character of the sheep. And yeah, we're all stuck on, I believe, so all good. So guys, that is it. We are all finished, and how fantastic does that look? So anyone you give that to for a gift would be really happy, I would say. I know I would be, because it's a homemade gift. Look at that. And you've stopped that old paintbrush going into landfill. So it's been recycled into a luxury piece of art, and we call it a paintbrush sheep. Okay, so yes, I'm really pleased with that. Hopefully you are. Thanks for watching my tutorial on this. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me see any pictures of your sheep if you make one. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next clip. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.